peace ring should be a symbol of peace, not fighting. So I think that lies in the name, that when you call it a peace ring, it's a ring of peace.
For many countries, it will be, well, their thoughts will wander off because it's so out of their world, that even discussing these topics. So for some, me giving a speech of 7 minutes on LBTI rights, just having the speech will be too much for them. But for some, maybe, well, that's why I want to do this. If I just can change the ideas of just one stubborn leader of some country, just make their perspective shift just a bit, then I think we as the Netherlands, I as a women's representative, we will have done a lot.